I'm going to perform my first trial for the calcium hydroxide titration at warm temperature. Note that if we were to do this at cold or room temperature, there would be no physical difference. It's the same recording of measurements. It is only the temperature of here that would need to be recorded to 1 decimal place. Well, actually, if it was room, warm or cold here. Things I need to run my first official trial is I need a beaker labeled such. I need a clean, rinsed out pipette, and I need a burette that's topped off with HCl. I'm going to come over to my warm water bath, and I'm going to carefully decant into a storage beaker. Careful, meaning that I'm going to treat this as if it's made out of crystal. So I'm going to try to open it carefully and try to pour without disturbing the bottle. Then I'm going to slowly return it gently. For the next group, we need more rings in there. I poured myself a generous helping that I'm going to now pipette 10 milliliters into it. Okay, I have much more than 10 milliliters because I just want to do this right the first time and not have to worry about not having enough. So I'm just going to pull that up. Keep pulling it up above the line. I already feel a little better at this, just doing this for demonstration purposes. I'm going to hold it out of camera perfect. Okay, 10 milliliters in there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops. That thing is done dispensing. I'm going to rinse this off just while I have it in my hand. So I'm going to squirt down the neck here. And I'm also just going to pour this in my waste container. So that way I just take care of my waste. This burette starts at 4.15 milliliters because of my quick and dirty trial. So on my paper, I put in 10 milliliters exactly. It's starting at 4.15 milliliters. So now I'm going to aggressively open up to 7. There we go. I aggressively opened up to 7. Now I'm going to try to do a little bit of finessing and just try to do a couple drops at a time. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Not really drops. 1, 2. Get that bubble out. Okay. So I'm just trying to do this carefully. Gonna stop it right there. I'm getting close to 8. I know I'm getting close and I see flashes of the blue disappear. I'm gonna try to do another. I think I might have overshot it there a little bit, but that's okay. My reading is, I know the experiment is over because the blue is gone. And now I'm going to try to read this here. It's a little over 8. So if I can get this in focus. It is about 8 looks like it's just under 8.1. I'm going to call that 8.05. I'm going to call that 8.05. So my initial started at 415. My final was 8.05. That means that my total amount dispensed was 7.90, no, not 7.90, 3.90 milliliters. 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 3.4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 3.90 milliliters was the amount dispensed.